Remember the chicken prep magic that we unleashed last week? Well, this time we're taking your chicken game to the next level. There's a secret weapon to cooking restaurant-worthy chicken, and that is marinades, and it's right at your fingertips. These are not complicated at all. Marinades are just a simple way to infuse that flavor into your chicken. So here's a basic breakdown when it comes to marinades. You have your flavor boosters, and then you have thyme. Flavor is where all the magic happens. You have your acidic ingredients, you have your flavor enhancers like spices and herbs. Sometimes I tend to use a spice mix, but you can mix your own spices, and I'm going to show you how. You also have your acidic ingredients like lemon juice or vinegar. This kind of just tend to tenderize your chicken and also remove some of that smell, that chickeny smell. Always add salt and oil, because oil carries all these ingredients into your chicken. Then number 2, you have thyme. The longer you marinate, the more the intense flavor. So for maximum flavor, I would go for an overnight marinade. And that is perfect for meal prepping, because then all you have to do the day of cooking is just remove your chicken from the fridge and cook it. So today I'm going to show you 2 easy marinades that you can do on the go or when you want to store your chicken for longer. So the first one is a lemon and herb chicken, and it uses oil, lemon juice, garlic and ginger, and your favorite herb. Whatever it is, put it in here. So all you have to do is whisk all the ingredients in a bowl, then add your chicken, and then marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to overnight. So friends, before we go into the next marinade, I want to take a moment to thank our amazing sponsor for this video, Akili Foods. Akili Foods is a Kenyan company passionate about bringing you the best that nature has to offer. They have lots of natural products, but today I want to introduce you to moringa powder. And moringa powder is packed with vitamins and minerals, antioxidants. The way I generally take moringa is by making a moringa and baobab tea in the morning. It gives me that great energy boost. So moringa powder was a huge help for me after I had my last baby. It really helped my body to bounce back and regain its strength. And now I'm not a doctor, so always check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. But if you're looking for a natural way to boost your health and overall well-being, Akili Foods moringa powder is definitely worth checking out. So the next marinade that we are going to be making is a yogurt spiced marinade, one of my go-to marinades of all time. I've put all the ingredients in the description box below, so go right ahead and you can go check that out. So once you've marinated your chicken, you can choose your preferred cooking method. You can cook this on a pan or roast it in the oven or grill it in the fire. And you can even serve this however you wish. So I'm going to marinate everything together, and then when it's dinner time, I'm just going to pop this in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to let this cook for about 45 minutes until the chicken is completely done. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video and you think that I have earned your subscription, please click the subscribe button below if you haven't. And if you have enjoyed this video and you think that somebody else might be able to enjoy this video as much as you have, don't forget to click the share button and share this video with them. So at the end of this video, I am going to put a few links to other videos that I have done in the past, and you can go and watch those as you wait for the next video. Thank you very much for joining me. See you there.